Model: 2013 Nissan NV200 Diesel 1.5 dCi 89 SHE van. Body: white, panel. Van mileage: 144,718. Engine: 1461 cc K9 K90 bhp, E5A. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, easy start. Runs perfect. Primary pump in the tank needs replacing, still drives fine, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £4,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and